Virtual reality is commonly used in education and is more user-friendly and affordable than ever. And like any video-based technology, it can reinforce course learning objectives, but in a more immersive, interactive, and engaging way. This tutorial will demonstrate how to utilize the latest in portable systems, the Oculus Quest, affiliated with Facebook. To turn on the headset, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. A light should turn on. If not, the unit might need to be recharged. You can adjust the fit of the headset by using these Velcro straps located on the sides and top of the headset. The bottom of the headset has additional switches. You can adjust the lens's width by using this slider. And you can change the sound volume with these buttons here. Note that the space between each individual's eyes can vary. This is measured by the pupillary distance, which on average is 63 millimeters apart for most people. Make sure to adjust the lens's width on your headset if your vision is blurry while in VR. The headset includes a charging cable and adapter. Recharging the headset is done with a USB-C cable like this, and plug in the other end with the adapter like that. Note that you can still use the headset while it's plugged in, but try not to go too far. The Oculus Quest allows you to perform actions while in VR without the use of controllers. The pinch gesture allows you to select icons. The finger lift gesture allows you to teleport yourself to a different location. The poke is used for pressing large buttons. You will use this gesture to select which module you would like to take. All participants are advised to take the history taking module at least once, and then depending on which group you're in, you will take the physical exam or the mini-mental respectively. It is important for each participant to stay within their assigned group. Please don't cross over. And the grab can be used to pick up some objects. It also can be used to open doors. And the purse pinch. If you look at this gesture for a few seconds, you will open an option menu, usually allowing you to exit a program. When you first turn on the headset, you will most likely be requested to create a guardian boundary, a play space you designate as safe to navigate in. This prevents you from walking into walls or objects on the floor and such. If you get too close to this boundary, a red grid will emerge, warning you of such. There are two kinds of guardian boundaries, stationary and room scale. Stationary is best used when sitting, say, in a chair, the type that can rotate. This essentially commits yourself to a fixed position. The room scale boundary allows you to draw a line on the ground, setting up your out-of-bounds zone. Whichever guardian boundary you select, just follow the on-screen instructions for help setting it up. Once that's complete, you will reach the main dashboard. It's a good idea to check that you have wireless connectivity to the internet, indicated by the signal strength icon here. If the wireless is out, make sure to contact tech support to reconnect. It's important to always have a strong connection, and you can always check your battery level of the headset by hovering over this icon here. Right, now to run the simulator. You do this by pinching icons, much like how you click Windows on a desktop computer while using a mouse. The simulation is most likely in a folder called Unknown Sources, located in this 3x3 dot hamburger icon here. And once the program loads, you're in. Couple of last points. Yes, the headset is designed to fit people while wearing glasses, normal-sized frames. To adjust the headset for this, locate the plastic shim as shown here. Remove the headset's cushion, might need to give it a good tug to get it off. Then make sure the plastic shim is seated flush like that. Snap the cushion back on and presto! And when you have concluded using the VR headset, please give it a sprinkle of sanitizer spray. Try not to be too liberal. Focus on the cushion area and avoid contacting the lenses so that they don't get scratched. Thank you.